Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to change a task color in ClickUp. So here we go, we have a different tasks. This one is blue. These ones are pinkish. This one has a design as well. And we have a green tasks as well. So let me go ahead and find those for you. Let me show you in board view. So these are the green ones, the complete ones, right? It's very easy to change them. So here we go. All you need to do is click on these three dots. Okay. Click on edit statuses. Right. And from this section, all we need to do is click on a space status manager. And then we can go ahead and change the color. So let's say I want to change the color of in progress. I want to make it yellow. I just choose the yellow color. Come here, click on apply changes. Go ahead and close this. And it will go ahead and update. So if I come here back to board view, see, it has changed colors. Now if I come back to list, see, this is what will happen. Really that easy.